What if AI is about to bring back nuclear power? Yup, sounds wild, but it's actually happening. Big tech is diving headfirst into nuclear energy to keep their AI dreams alive. Let's unpack what's going on here. So here's the scoop. Companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon are throwing billions into nuclear energy. Why? Because AI is an absolute energy monster. The models powering your favorite chatbots, image generators, and recommendation engines need an insane amount of electricity. And we're talking about a 40% surge in demand just from AI over the next decade. That's no joke. Now, here's the twist. Some experts are sounding the alarm. If we chase AI growth without thinking about the climate impact, we could be heading into serious trouble. By 2027, AI data centers might be using as much electricity as entire countries like Sweden or the Netherlands. That's a lot. But tech giants aren't just settling for the old-school nuclear playbook. They're investing in newer, cleaner, smaller nuclear technologies as part of their bigger push to go carbon neutral. And it's not just the tech world getting in on this. Big finance is lining up to ride the nuclear comeback too. Think back to the whole debate over Bitcoin's energy use. Now imagine something way bigger. That's where AI is headed. These models are hungry, and our current energy infrastructure, it's just not built for this kind of load. Imagine trying to power a rocket with your phone charger. Not happening. So, is nuclear really the best move? Some believe AI might help solve climate problems, but if it burns through energy faster than we can generate it cleanly, we're just spinning in circles. Enter a concept you might not have heard of, digital sobriety. It's basically asking, do we really need AI for this? Like, maybe we don't need a smart assistant to find the nearest coffee shop. Google Maps still works just fine. It's about using tech with intention, not just because we can. Fun fact, every time you ask ChatGPT a question, it uses as much electricity as leaving a light bulb on for 20 minutes. Multiply that by billions of daily queries, and yeah, it adds up. Smaller companies are feeling the pressure too. They want to tap into AI but still hit their sustainability goals. Problem is, many of the cloud providers keeping this all running aren't exactly transparent about how much energy their systems are using. That makes it hard to stay accountable. And here's another layer. Most of these AI-powered nuclear investments, they're coming from US-based companies. So what does that mean globally? Could countries that ditched nuclear like Germany suddenly rethink things just to keep up? Ideally, this won't mean just firing up outdated nuclear plants. The goal is to innovate. Small modular reactors, SMRs, might be the answer. These are compact, factory-built reactors designed to sit right next to energy-hungry data centers. They could be safer, cheaper, and easier to deploy than traditional nuclear facilities. But let's not forget, even if AI helps us track climate patterns or improve grid efficiency, it's still part of the problem. It's a strange paradox. AI could help save the planet, while also putting more pressure on it. And this shift has global implications. Countries with nuclear tech and relaxed regulations could end up running the AI show. Smaller nations might fall behind if they can't catch up fast enough with energy infrastructure. That's why energy transparency is becoming a big deal. People want to know the real cost of the tech they're using. More companies will be pushed to share their data on power consumption and carbon output. That demand might finally push the industry toward more sustainable, energy-smart computing. Bottom line, the AI boom is forcing us to rethink how we power the digital world. Nuclear might be part of the solution, but it's not a silver bullet. The way we manage this intersection between energy, innovation, and ethics is going to shape the future in a huge way. That's it for today's deep dive. If you want to stay ahead of the tech curve, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell. And hey, stay curious out there.